Hello viewers, thanks for tuning in with us today. I told y'all on one of the other videos that I would do an update or had another unboxing video that I wanted to share with you guys. I figured y'all didn't really need to see me. Y'all want to see this. So I got the camera set up the best I can. I'm working out of the house right now, not the studio, so I'm just trying to get what I can. Anyway, this is a little short video, quick video I wanted to share with you guys of an unboxing of another new DJI product that I bought. And as you can see, it is the Mic Mini, DJI Mic Mini. So let's hope it works as good as all the reviews says it does. And as you can see, it is unopened. I didn't get ahead of myself this time. I was saving it just for you guys to watch. I'm really excited about these. I hope they do what they're supposed to do, or claim they'll do. So here we go. Let's get into it. My trash can over on the other side where my 3D print stuff is. So I'm just trying to find somewhere to put it right now. Let's see if we can figure out how to open the box without tearing the box up. I'm OCD about boxes for some reason. I don't like to wrinkle them. I don't like to bend them, tear them up. I like them to stay neat. Because a lot of times I just, like this, I may keep the product stored in there, but I probably won't. And I will show you guys why I won't real quick. This here is my little setup that I've got for my cameras. I have another one for my drone, so I'll make a spot in this foam here for the mics. Y'all have to excuse the mess in between here and there, because it's all 3D print stuff, gaming stuff, computer editing stuff. Yeah, it's a mess. But I told you guys I'd get this for you, and that's what I want to do. Oh, that's some strong plastic. It's some kind of soft case or something that it's in. I may have the camera zoomed in too much. Let's see if I can zoom. It won't go in between. It's either full zoom or zoomed all the way out. And if you hear the dog and the running and all the noise in the background, it's little Frog, the grandson. He's out there getting ready for the car show, which is what we're doing now. I'm actually recording this before we leave to go to the car show, because I want to use these today. So they're excited. They're out there running around playing. Nice little case it's in. You guys can see that. And hopefully this audio is good enough. I'm trying not to yell. Because the mic is hanging, the camera's actually hanging on my neck. So, alright, let's open it up and see what we got. Do this. Well, there's more stuff. Cables. And there's the little case. Yeah, I probably won't use this bag either. Not right now. I'll probably use it later for something. I don't know. But good quality. I like DJI products. Oh, it's got a little pocket inside too. I guess that's to keep your cord in. I may end up using it just to put my cords in to keep them in my case over here. Get this garbage out of here. I feel like the GoPro is this camera over here. The Osmo Action 5 is one on my neck. Alright. First off, let's see what kind of cables we got here. I mean, certainly, we all know one of them is a charging cable. Oh, the little 3.5 jack. I guess that's focused in. Yeah, so that's one. And yes, Type C, USB to Type C charging cable. No need to open that. I got a bunch of them open already. I'll just put that one up, save it for later. Backup. I actually keep 2 or 3 of them in my case over there. I keep like 2 of them in my drone case. Because you never know when a cable's going to go bad. Wow. They look like little rabbit tails popping out of there. Woo. About to drop that one. Okay. I was wondering how that worked. I see the little noise canceller filters. They actually snap on. I was wondering what held them. Yep, I like that. I think I like these gray ones better. Man, that's pretty neat. They soft. They feel like rabbit hair. That's why I call them rabbit tails, bunny tails, whatever you want to call them. Man, that plastic. They use thick plastic for their stuff. Man, if the product's as good as the packing that it comes in, man, these things will last a lifetime. All the DJI stuff is like this, though. I give you guys credit for that. Nice. I like that. I thought it was metal, but it's not. It's just like a gunmetal gray plastic case. It says press to unlock. So I guess we probably need to peel this off first, since we know where to press to unlock now. Just a rocker switch or lock. Oh, they automatically come on when you open the case. That's pretty neat, I guess. Man, when they say mini, guys, mini is like an understatement. Here is a SD card to give you guys a size reference. Here is the mic. You can literally see the card around the mic. Turn it this way. Yes, the card, the SD card is bigger than the mic. Thickness, as you can see, I'm going to say it's probably 3 SD cards thick. And they automatically come on. You good, GG? They know I'm recording. I done told them they might hear some noise from that little monkey in there running around with his dog.
Not them fur grandbabies.
That's what I'm talking about, all the fur babies. Oh, this is the little magnet. So you can stick it through your clothes there and you ain't got to clip it on nothing. Step over here for a second, GG.
Why?
I want you to see this mic.
You're going to lose that.
Feel it, that's magnet and all.
You're going to lose it.
And I hope not. Costs too much to be losing them.
Well, you just won't get a replacement one.
So, well, if they do it like they do their drones, I will. And here's the other one. And supposedly these pair to the Action 3, 4, 5, or 4 and 5, I know, without any without needing this piece here. This is, I believe they call this the receiver. I'm not real sure what it does. I will have to dig the owner's manual out.
I'll probably throw it away.
Read the instructions. No, they still in the box because I just opened it.
Okay.
I know if I leave it laying around long, you'll throw it away.
I sure will.
I don't know what that's for. So, I do know you hook this in here and plug this into your GoPro, and this will work on a GoPro. I don't think I'm going to need it for today because I'm going to run both mics. I will be running on the Action 5. Well, I couldn't get my thumbs down in there to get this out. And this little dude here plugs into your phone, maybe? It may plug into the GoPro and link them. Not real sure. I'll have to read the instructions, get everything figured out, but I will definitely let you guys know how it works. I'll definitely do a follow-up on these. I've been slacking. I did an unboxing of the drone. That was some content that I lost. I believe I've lost that. I don't think I've got it out there. I was going to do an update on it, let y'all know how it works, see it in flight. Well, I am still very pleased with my drone. It is the Mini 4 Pro by DJI. See if I can figure out how to put these on here. You laughing at me over there?
You need glasses.
No, I don't need my glasses. Look at that.
So am I.
Looks like a bunny tail or a rabbit's foot. It's so soft like a bunny tail. Gigi would be walking around rubbing the little mic noise canceller because they so soft.
No.
Here, feel this.
I can't. I'm busy.
Oh. I wonder if they'll stay on there in the case like that. And yes, they will. How about that? Nice. So far, I'm happy with it. I will do an update and let y'all know how they work, how easy they was to hook up to the camera. You know, all the good stuff. I do want to go ahead and put that on though. I'm going to try to get Gigi to wear one today.
I'm already choking to death in the shirt.
Well, it's a mic. It don't weigh enough to do anything. So.
I'm talking around my neck. It's so
Oh, no, that's for the GoPro. You're going to wear it around your neck.
The shirt is around my neck.
Oh. So, there you go, guys. The DJI Mic Mini. Hopefully I got good enough video for you guys to kind of see what was in the box, and of course the instructions that I will definitely be reading on this, because it's not just, well, to me it's not just look at it and know what it does. Linking it to the camera is going to be pretty easy. It's self-explanatory. There's a setting in the camera for the mic. You click on it, you click on the link on the mic, and it automatically connects. I do know that much. Trying to get that where y'all can see that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Have any questions, comments, feel free to drop them. And we thank you guys.